Fried eggs with Toon. Let everyone cook nice and tasty. First, blanch the Toon. 50 grams of Toon in total. Fish them out when they're green. Remove the water. Chop the Toon. Next, hit 4 eggs. Put the Toon in. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of water starch. Mix well. Heat the oil and turn down the heat. Pour in the eggs. Make a circle out of this egg. Put the lid on the pot, frying on low heat. Move the pan. Make the heat more even. Fry for 1 minute. Turn over and cook on high heat for 30 seconds. Just eat it. To make it look good, I'll plate it.